You make my heart sing. Oh, hi. Right then, Wild Thing. So do the chords here. We've got an A major, we got a D major, we got an E major. All right, and we're gonna go like this. Look, we're gonna go A, and then D, D, E major, twice, back to the D. So I'm just doing down strums on this. Down, 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 down. All right, so that's quite fun. You can play with power chords as well. Get it a bit more rocking, like this, look. Okay, so that's 5, 5. 10, 10, 12, 12, 10, 10. There you go. Wild Thing.